What's up, guys? A little late night personal break here for TSmith. Box of contours. Good luck, brother. If you guys don't know it, anytime you want a personal box, the list prices or our list of prices is in the clubhouse. Just let me know, and this happens just like this. Tim, good luck, brother. Here we go. Starting off with a fatty. Nice. Noah Hannafin to $3.99. Rookie resume. And Shane Prince. Club Crest relic. So rookie jersey, rookie card. Pack number 2, you got an autograph coming here. It is Anthony Stolarz to $4.99. Contour rookie auto. And Derek Brassard to $4.99 blue. Alright, so one auto, one jersey. Here's another fatty. Mikko Koivu to $4.99 blue. I love the parallels in this set. They just look really good. And nice one, Sam Bennett Club Crest jersey. Rookie relic of Mr. Bennett. And got another autograph. Oh, it's redemption. What does that mean? So we have a Tyler Bozak red to 99 and the redemption. It's a pretty darn good one. Youth movement autograph. Gabriel Landeskog. Pretty darn good one right there. Tim, there you have it, brother.